Okay, so I got bamboozled. I ordered this little handheld game as a project. The description mentioned that it was not working, not turning on. So I basically ordered it to try to see if I can fix it, because I know the electronics in here are pretty simple and I think I could handle it if possible. However, the seller bamboozled me. I don't know if it was on purpose or not, but let's just pop in the batteries so you can see that it actually works completely fine. Battery compartment's missing a screw, but it's no big deal. You can see that a clock turns on right away and little Gundam guy appears in the right side. This says game 1, game 2, so I think you just go until it says 0. And then we got down, up. There we go. So you're shooting at the guys on the left. They're building something. Once they fully build whatever they're building, then you lose a life or whatever. I don't entirely understand what's going on, but you can see it's working perfectly fine. Sound off also works fine. I don't know what this ACL does, but it must do something. But yeah, essentially in completely fine working condition. You can see the battery terminals even look very, very good. Actually, it looks very clean. Besides, obviously, the yellowing of the device here, everything is functioning fine. The buttons feel completely fine. Nothing's like sticky. On-off or sound off switch here feels fine as well. Obviously, it's very scratched up, very beat up. It doesn't say any year or anything on this device, but it's gotta be pretty old, probably 20, 30 years, something like that, I would guess. But I'm gonna pop it open just to see what's inside, just because I was going to do that originally, and just to satisfy my curiosity just a little bit. Okay, so yeah, we can see button contacts look fine. Battery terminals also appear to be okay. Screen obviously is a bit scratched like we saw earlier, but I think that's just it's just the outside protector here. So the actual screen itself is totally fine. Button contacts over here, okay. So yeah, looks to be in great condition actually. I'm gonna lose the buttons here, but it's okay. Chip is exposed on the back. It's very interesting. We got some very basic components, some resistors. Got a 0 ohm resistor here. I believe those are capacitors, and speaker wire to the back. So yeah, overall it looks very clean, especially if it's, is actually about 30 years old or something like that. I've got nobody to compete with or nobody to, compare with, but yeah, we'll see if we can get a decent score and have some fun with it. It's a bit annoying that there was nothing to fix, and I got a bit baited by the seller, but overall, it's okay. It's an interesting find, and I'll be on the lookout for my next project. Señor Gomi is very hungry. Please subscribe to feed him.